So first of all, I'm very thankful that I was allowed to chair that day one at OCD DACH. The trends that I have noticed was my not so surprising AI again, about protocol involvement, AI, but for me most important was blockchain, because like I am a fan of the blockchain and about what you can do about this. This is like trending, and also other technology platforms for patient centricity was also nice to see and hear about.
Interestingly for us in the supply chain arena that we're involved in, which is the secondary packaging primarily, we work with both clients, directly sponsors, but also the CDMO fraternity. With that, the phases are moving more towards CRO involvement, and at events like this DACH with the Arena DACH event in Zurich, our interaction with CROs are bringing more of those questions to the forefront.
There are a lot of factors, outside factors, that will influence our industry, such things as the COVID, and then COVID pushed a lot of things, a lot of technology to be developed. The trends are now, well, I will speak from the medical device point of view, because we're a medical device CRO as well. So people, because of the MDR complication, the companies go outside EU. And this is the more drastic change that, in specific in our area, influences us.
The budgets are obviously limited overall, and what I see is it's very clunky in terms of utilizing of a lot of these solutions. And what we try to do, obviously at Strategic, and streamline these processes and make it easier for people to focus on their jobs and help, by the help of SaaS solutions like ours, like Clinical Maestro. And that's what I've seen overall, is the lack of utilization and using, older solutions or very manual solutions today in the industry.
So the trends that I notice in the industry is that they have really taken up this diversity, equity, and inclusion of participants in the different trials that we run. And the second thing that is more important that I have seen is the inclusion of technology in the trials that we are doing, and the last one being the artificial intelligence that is taking part in our trials.
My talk was about the development and research of the first drug for my own rare disease. It's called erythropoietic protoporphyria, and before we developed that drug there were no other treatment options available. And I'm a patient and a researcher, and I could provide my insights for when the drug was developed, for the trial design, for the quality of life questionnaires. And in the end, that proved really helpful also for approval, because I then, as a patient representative at the EMA for the approval proceedings, could also explain why we measured the things that has been measured and what it means for the patients.